Hello everyone, we are waiting for some more people, then we'll start. Good evening everyone. I am Astha Bora, and after receiving an amazing response from my previous workshop, once again I am here to take another workshop with my kids drawing. And today we are going to make Explore the Space. For this, you will need pencil, eraser, scale, sharpener, sketch pen and oil pastel colors. By the time you gather all your material, let me quickly give you a brief introduction about what my kids' drawing is. Am I audible? Hello everyone, am I audible? Please write yes in the comment box. Okay, fine. So what my kids drawing is? My kids drawing is a place to store and share drawings that will be treasured forever. Their mission is to celebrate artistic expression. That is, they want children to be proud of their art and dream big. Do you know my kids drawing even conduct monthly theme competitions and winners get amazing gifts. Isn't that so cool? You can even earn talent coins by uploading and sharing your drawings. So kids, what are you waiting for? Draw and upload your drawings. You can even connect with them on mykidsdrawing.in or on Facebook, that is My Kids Drawing without giving any space, and on Instagram mykidsdrawing.in. You can even drop a mail, that is mykidsdrawing@gmail.com. Now let me tell you something about myself. I am a teacher by profession and artist by passion, and today we'll draw Explore the Space. So are you all ready for today's exciting topic? Okay, great. So are you all ready with your materials? You need an A4 size white sheet, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, black sketch pen, oil pastel colors, and those who don't know how to draw circles, they can even keep one coin with them and one plate. and you can connect with me on Facebook, that is Facebook Happycrafty, and on Instagram _happycrafty. You can even drop me a mail on ashusofian@gmail.com. So kids, are you all ready? Let's get started. Are you all ready with your materials? Just write yes if you all are ready with your materials. Okay. Great. So first of all, you all have to draw one border as I have already drawn it. All the kids quickly draw the border. Now, what we are going to do is, first we'll draw the earth. Okay? First we'll draw the earth. Those kids who don't know how to draw a proper curve shape can take the help of a plate. As I am using, you have to keep it down and just draw a curve like this. See, like this you have to draw a curve. And just erase it from the center. Just erase it little bit from the center, as we have to draw an astronaut over here. We will be drawing an astronaut. So just erase this middle part. Now, draw two parallel lines like this. Draw two parallel lines. We have to draw, Prerna, we have to draw this curve first of all. We have to draw this curve for the earth. Then you have to erase it from the center. And then with the help of a scale, you have to draw two parallel lines like this. Completed till here? Okay. Now, after this, what we have to do is, we'll draw a curve shape. We have to make the face. So, for this, we'll draw an oval like this. This is the face of the astronaut. All those kids who are drawing with me, just keep on writing done or yes, so that I can proceed further as I am waiting for you all. Okay. Now what we have to do is, now you can even use a scale. Draw a line in the center like this and make a curve and join it on both the ends like this way. Draw one more line, same one more line. Now we'll draw the hairs in the zigzag way. You have to draw zigzag way. Zigzag way you have to draw the hairs. Then eyes and a small C type like this for nose. All the kids, have you completed till here? Just keep on writing in the comment box done so that I can proceed further. Now mark 2 points. 2 points and leave some space on both the edges. Leave some space and mark 2 points. Mark 2 points, and from the first point you have to draw one curve like this. You have to draw one curve like this. Same we have to do on the other side. Like this way. Then make a V shape. Try to make it equal. Make a V shape. And now it will turn into a rectangular form. This will turn into a rectangular form. And you have to leave this space in the center. Leave this space in the center as we have to make legs. We'll be making legs of the astronaut. Now draw 2 lines like this for the legs. Done till here? Now we'll be making the hands. Now you have left some space. From there, once again you have to draw one small curve. One small curve like this. Same we'll do on the other side. Now make a small thumb and a palm. Now draw two lines, one big and one small, in the center of the dress. And with the help of a curve, join both of them. All the kids, have you completed till here? I am waiting for you 2 minutes. You can finish till here. Just write done in the comment box so that I can proceed further. Just write done in the comment box so that I can proceed further. I am waiting for you all. Okay, now make two circles, one big circle and one small circle inside this, and two rectangles, two small rectangles. All of you have done till here? Now let's make the earth. First we'll complete the earth, then we'll draw other objects. Draw a V shape like this and a small circle. We are making earth right now. All the kids completed till here? Shall I proceed further? Please write done in the comment box so that I can proceed further. Okay, now take a coin and we'll draw some objects. We have to draw some circles. As many of the kids, they are not perfect in drawing the circles, they can take the help of the coin. Draw 2 circles like this. In the first one, draw small circles inside this. Draw small circles. And in the second one, draw a curve like this. Now we have to draw a moon. For moon also, if you are not perfect in drawing moon, take the coin once again, draw a curve like this and shift your coin little bit upper side. Draw one more curve. Draw one more curve and now you can join this like this in a pointed way, and see, your moon is ready now. Very easy method. Now we'll draw the spacecraft. For this, what you have to do is take your scale and keep it in the center. Draw one line. It should be very light as we are going to erase it later on. Draw one line in the center. And one sleeping line. Now you have to make a curve which will start from the sleeping line. And you have to join it till here. Same we have to draw on the other side. This line we have drawn so that it should look equal. And now you can erase the center line. You can now erase the center line. Make one more line at the bottom. Make one more line at the bottom. And 2 slanting lines. And a small curve. And now you have to draw some blocks like this. 3 or 4 blocks. You all can complete till here. Those who have finished till here, just write done in the comment box. Now draw one curve at the top and one at the bottom. Draw 2 curves. Now once again, take the coin and draw one circle. Draw one circle in the center. And one small circle inside this. One small circle inside this. Now we'll draw some curves. Like this, you have to draw some curves in the center. Kids, have you completed till here? Thank you, Mark. Now, you have to draw two lines like this. And as we make a water droplet, in the same way you have to make a droplet like here. Same on the other side. Keep on writing done so that I can proceed further. I'm waiting for you all. Now we'll draw Saturn. For this, what you have to do is, either you can take the help of a coin, or one more easy method I'm going to tell you is, draw one curve like this. Sorry, it should be like this. Draw one curve like this. Make a dome shape at the top. Make a dome shape at the top. Now once again, draw one curve and a small dome shape just below this. You can even make it with the help of a coin. Whichever method is easy for you. If you are making it with coin, you have to just draw a circle and you can make this ring later on. Now we are going to draw one satellite. Draw one oval shape. And draw an eye like this. Draw two small slanting lines. Now a small curve joining both the ends like this. and one small curve. And a satellite is ready. Our pencil work is almost finished. Now we'll start with the coloring part. I'm waiting for you all. All those who have not yet completed, you can complete till here. All those kids who have not yet completed, I'm waiting for you. You can finish out till here and just write done so that I can proceed with the coloring part. Meanwhile, you can keep ready your oil pastel colors and black sketch pen. Okay, let's start with the coloring part then. First, we'll do the outline with the black sketch pen. Quickly, we'll do the outline. Okay? So kids, let's get started. We have to draw each and everything with the black sketch pen. Everything with the black sketch pen. Hope you all have found it easy. Each and everything with the black sketch pen. Make two curves like this with the help of black sketch pen only. Two in the legs and two on the hands. Two small curves you have to make. Everything you have to do with the black sketch pen. For circles, you can again use coin. It will look very neat if you use coin. Everything you have to draw with the black sketch pen. All the outlines. Only black sketch pen. Completed till here. Now you can erase all the pencil work. Just erase out the pencil work. Let's start with the coloring. Kids, have you completed till here? All the black outline work is finished? Okay. First, we'll take the peach color. Take the peach color. Okay, I am waiting. Some kids have not yet finished. I am waiting for you. You can complete. Then I'll start with the coloring part. Meanwhile, kids, you be ready with oil pastel flesh tint, that is peach color. Just write done in the comment box once completed. Okay, so first we'll fill the peach color in the face. Very light you have to fill. Very light peach color you are going to fill in the face. Very light. Take some tissue paper now. Take some tissue paper and blend this. If by mistake you have made it little darker, you can blend it and it will become light. Now we'll take another color, that is yellow ochre, and we are going to fill it in these lines. Then we'll take the brown color, and very lightly again we are going to fill it in the hairs. Very light brown color. It's dark brown. Oil pastel dark brown color. Now we'll take the grey color. We'll take the grey color and we have to give strokes like this. We have to give strokes from the bottom. From the bottom we have to give stroke like this. Keep your color and just leave it. Keep it, leave it. Leave it at the upper side. You have to give strokes like this. As we will be blending some other colors in this, we have to fill only half part. Same for the legs. Now in the legs we will do it downwards. We will be doing it downwards. Keep the color and just drag it. Same for the hands. Leave some space in the center. Leave some space in the center. Same for the helmet we have to do. From the top we are going to do, as we have to merge other colors also. Even make two small ovals like this around the helmet. And very lightly just fill the grey color. Now take the white color, oil pastel white color, and the color which you have done, from the center of that color, in the same way you have to blend. Keep your color lifted towards the upper side. It will automatically merge. Same for the legs we have to do. Same for the helmet. Now take the black color and very light shading we are going to do, very light. Very light shading we have to do. Very light shading everywhere. Again grey color. Again take the grey color and now again merge it. Again take the grey color and again merge it. Some dark effect you will get now. Completed till here? Okay. Now take the lemon yellow color. Take the lemon yellow and fill it in this circle. In the first object, just fill the lemon yellow color. Just fill the lemon yellow color in the first object. For the second one, take the black color and make a broad border with black color. In this way, leave some space in the center. Fill the yellow color. This is medium yellow. Medium yellow, I am filling it over here. Medium yellow. Medium yellow you have to use. Now take the grey color. Take the grey color. Fill it in the moon. Fill it in the moon. Now we'll take the brown color. Take the brown color. Fill it over here. Then the darker brown. With dark brown, give a little bit shading like this with dark brown. Then take the black color. Very light touch you have to give of black color. Take the pink color. First take the yellow color. Fill this oval with the yellow color, the small oval with the yellow color. Then pink color. And the outer part with the pink color. Dark green color. and again pink color. Now take the sketch pen and where you have done the green color, make black dots like this. Very small black dots. Now take the yellow color and for the spacecraft, fill the yellow color at the top and in the circle. Take the purple color, fill it in the curve and in the center circle. Even in the small blocks you can fill the purple color. Now take the red color. Fill the red color. Fill only little. Only little we have to do red color. Now pink color and merge it in this. Merge this pink color with the red color. Now white color and again merge it, mix it. Again take the yellow color, fill these blocks with one yellow and one peach color. Another one again yellow. Alternate we have to do. Then peach, then yellow and then peach. Now take the red color, fill this part with the red color. Yellow color over here and purple color over here. Done till here? Now let's start the earth. Take light green color. Fill the light green color. Half you have to fill. Half light green. Everywhere you have to fill half light green color. Half light green you have to fill everywhere. Now take the dark green color, merge it with the light green color. This is what we are showing, the green part on our earth. Completed till here? Now take the light blue color. Light blue color. And we are going to fill the light blue color. Half we have to do the light blue color. This is the water which we are showing on our earth. Blue color over here is representing water. These circles also you can fill with dark green. Fill these circles with dark green only. Half you have to fill. Half we have to do the light blue color. Blue color is the water. Water on our earth. Now we'll take the dark blue. Take the dark blue color and start merging the dark blue color. Start merging it in the light blue color. Very good effect you will get. Merge it. Completed till here. Now take the white color and just blend it overall. Just blend it overall. Just blend it with the white color. Now we'll do the background. For background, take the black color. Take the black color and very lightly fill it everywhere. Very light black color you have to fill in the background. Very light black. As again we will be merging it. So very light you have to fill it. Very light black color everywhere. Everywhere you have to fill black color. Now take the tissue paper and just rub it out. Take a very small piece of the tissue paper, rub it out everywhere. Now take the white color and very lightly, just everywhere you have to do very lightly white color. This black color, wherever it is left, it is going to merge automatically. Both the colors very light you have to fill. Black as well as white. If you feel your background is looking little bit lighter, you can give very little shading of black color once again. But that should be again very light you have to fill. Just to highlight it. Smoky effect. You can call it as smoky effect. Now you can either use correction pen or you can even use your pencil if you are not having correction pen. We'll make some stars over here. We'll make some stars. Few stars we can make. And now you have to write your name. And my astronaut is now ready to explore the space. What about yours? Is your astronaut ready? If you want, you can even highlight this dress with black color, black sketch pen. You can highlight this. Kids, is your astronaut ready? Oh, great. My astronaut is ready to explore the space. What about yours? Gitanjali, my name is Astha. Kids, have you completed till here? All of you have completed? I hope you all found it interesting and very easy. Kids, don't forget to share your pictures. You can either share it on My Kids Drawing, or you can even share it on Hapcrafty or Craftmania. You can share your drawings on Facebook, My Kids Drawing, or on Instagram, or you can even drop a mail. You can even share your pictures with me on Facebook, that is Hapcrafty, and on Instagram _HappyCrafty, or you can even drop me a mail. Write your name and do share your pictures. Well, now thank you so much everyone. Thank you kids. All the kids who were making with me. So many astronauts are now ready. Thank you everyone for taking out your time and attending this workshop. It's time to say bye now. Thank you once again. Bye-bye. Bye everyone, and don't forget to share your pictures. Bye.